time for another quick and easy updo hairstyle featuring your crazy curls and just a single hair tie. So this is a great hairstyle for you to do if you've put your curls in your hair. Maybe you don't like the way it looks enough to wear it down. Maybe it is not looking, you don't love the way the curls have turned out and you want to put your hair up, or maybe you just wanted an updo because most updos look better in curly hair. So you can go back and watch my curl tutorial from a couple days ago, and that will show you how I curl my hair really fast, because I pretty much always curl my hair if I want to do an updo, because it just adds so much prettiness and texture and just elevates the style so much. But you can do these styles in straight hair if you want to. They just don't quite look as fancy in my opinion. So for this one, I'm gonna do sort of a center part, but I'm not gonna like go through and like make sure it's perfectly straight. I like things to be soft when I create updos. I like softness. I like hair falling out. That's my preference. That's how I like things done. If you want things more structured and slicked back, that is totally fine. You can do it however you want. Take this information and make it yours for sure. So for this one, we are literally going to do a center part. I'm going to leave the front section of my hair out. Yours might be shorter like mine. It might be longer. If it's longer, I do suggest maybe keeping out smaller bits. It typically looks better if the hair's longer around your face to have more wispy bits as opposed to chunks like mine, because it's more of a long bang. But again, whatever you like is good. You can also pull it all back, but again, I like the softness of some hair coming out. So I'm going to leave the front out. I'm going to create a very loose, low bun at the nape of my neck. You can do any bun you want, okay? Any bun that comes naturally and easily to you. The key is going to be that you're going to then pull the bun apart so it gets really fluffy and loose, and some of those curly ends are going to pop out and it's going to look more intricate than a basic bun. You don't have to get stuck on whichever bun I choose to use. Use whichever one works easiest for you. You can see that I also loosened up the hairs on the base of my head above the bun. That's again personal preference. You can also use a hair tie that matches your hair. I used an orange hair tie so you can see it easier, but if I'm styling my hair, I'll typically use something that is either clear or light colored to match my hair better. That way it's harder to see it, but you can do whatever works for you. You can also add some pins. So this is the style with the center part. Cute little bun at the back, super simple, looks super pretty. You could also do a side part. Okay, you could flip that hair over, go for a side part. I like the buns for some reason. I'm always drawn to a center part. Once I'm finished, I would add a layer of Stronghold hairspray to simply stop any of my short layers from kind of falling out throughout the day and making my hair look too messy and completely undone. That's another quick and easy hairstyle for you. I hope that helps. I hope this inspires you to play around and have fun with your hair and helps you find a way to feel beautiful with your hair if your hair is something that you struggle with. Because I know a lot of people with our naturally thin, fine hair type do struggle with their hair. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how this hairstyle goes for you down in the comments, or just say hey, or tell me any other video ideas that you have that you would like to see here on my channel, because I want to make whatever content you guys want to watch. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I do post 3 every single week. Like, subscribe, share my videos with all of your friends so we can grow here at DIY Hair School. Bye.